Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Cybrosys. Today in this video, I'll be talking about what karma gains are inside the e-learning module of Odoo 17. So karma gains are basically, or karma points are basically reward points which you get once you complete a course or a section appropriately inside the e-learning module. So let's move on to the module and see how to gain it. So guys, let's see how to gain karma points or karma gains inside the e-learning module. For that, I'm opening e-learning here. Okay, so once you open the e-learning, what you have to do is, I'll open it. You have to go to configuration settings. Okay, that's the first thing you have to do. And we have certain things to be enabled. So here we have the certifications, the paid course, and the forum. So only if you enable all these things, you can use these things. Okay, so here you have the paid courses as well as the forum, and then you have the certification. So you know what a forum is? So that's the place where you can... It's actually a community, okay, where you can answer each other's queries and questions. So this is the option to make available all these paid courses. That is, you can even sell access to your courses on website and track the revenue. And here you have the certification, which is to evaluate the knowledge of your attendees. And based on the knowledge, the certification can be done. Once you enable all these things, make sure you save it. Okay, so the saving is in progress. Let's see. Once you save this, there'll be slight changes in the menu, so you can notice that from here. Currently, we have the menus called Courses Reporting as well as Configuration. Now we have a new menu which is called the Forum. Okay, so here you can see Manage Forum, Manage Certifications. Before moving on to Forum, let's go to Courses, and here I'm opening Courses. So you have all the courses over here. So you have courses like Basics of Gardening, Taking Care of Trees, Choose Your Wood, and all such courses. So if you want to create a new course, that is possible by clicking on New over here. So I'll just open one which is Basics of Gardening, and I'm clicking on View Course. This is actually a published course which is available inside the website. Okay, so this is how the course looks like. So you have the Basics of Gardening and you have all the courses over here. Okay, so if you want to, edit it and all, you can do that from here. Okay, so here you have the review of the courses. So these are the reviews. You can view the reviews, and this is the forum corresponding to the course. That is, if there is any kind of queries or even questions regarding that course, that can be found here inside the forum. So here you have a question, and if you know that means you can answer it. By answering, you get what? Some points. So just go back, and this is the course. And if you are enrolled to it, you can see you are enrolled. Okay, and how much you have completed the course, that is the percentage of your progress can be seen here, and the completion time which is required is seen here, and how many members are currently there for the course, that is also seen here. So here the review can be edited. Okay, you can edit the review, you can rate it, and all such things can be done. If you want to add content or add even section to it, you can add it from here. So this is basically how a course look like. So I'm just going back to the courses. This actually took me to the website. Okay. So let's go back to e-learning. And you can see the courses over here. So if we just put it in list view also, you have the different courses here. Open one. So I've opened the course called Basics of Gardening. You have certain smart tabs here. You can see the content. So here you have the description. That is, if you have any description, that will be found here. You have certain options here, which is regarding the course, like the course, the access rights, the display, as well as the communication. And here you have a section called Karma. This is what I'm talking about. Okay. So here in the Karma, you have the rewards as well as the access rights. Okay. So once you are, if you are reviewing the course, okay, for that, you will be getting 5 karma points. And if you finish the course, you will be getting 10 karma points. Similarly, to add review, you at least need, karma needed to add a review on the course. That is what it is. If you want to add a review, you should need 10 karma points. If you want to add a comment, you need 3 karma points. Similarly, if you want to upvote anything, okay. So this is to like or dislike a side of the course. For that, you need to have 3 karma points. So this is basically a role which we set. Only if you have these much points, you can access on to certain things. And this is the reward section where it shows the count of the reward points which you get once you review the course as well as finish the course. You can even edit it from here. Okay, you can even change it. So that's it, let it be there. And that's how it works. So that's the karma points which comes under the courses. Now let's move on to the forums. So this is the forum. I'm just opening this basics of gardening itself. So here you can see the options as well as the karma gains and karma related rights. So this is the karma gains which comes under the forum. Asking a question. If you ask a question, you will get 2 points. This is karma gains. That is the points which you gain. The question upvoted means 5 points. If the question is downvoted, that is if you ask a question and people are downvoting it, which means they are like not ignoring, they are actually marking it as a wrong question or something. That's what downvoting means. If they are downvoting, it means you will be getting -2 points. And then answer. If you answer a question, if your answer is marked as the right answer, that is if your answer is upvoted, you will get 10 points, and when downvoted, you will get -2 points. And accepting an answer gets 2 points. Answer accepted getting 15 points, and answer flagged will get -100 points. So these are the point structure of the karma gains, and then you have the karma related rights. Okay, so here in the karma related rights, you can see edit features or image links. Then you should need 30 points. Comment on, post, all such karma related rights and all can be seen here. Okay, so this is the forum as well as the courses. So as you know, Michelle Admin is already enrolled in certain courses. So I'll do one thing. I'll log in as a normal user and show you how to buy a course and how to deal with it. So for that, I'm just logging out of Michelle Admin. So logging out is done, and it asks you don't have an account. So I don't have an account. I'm a normal user. I'm going to create a new account. Okay, so yeah, my email I've given, my name, and then again the password. Once you're done, you can sign up. Okay, so there's something wrong with it. Again, I'm trying to log out, and let's sign in. Okay, so let it be johndoe@gmail.com, and my name I'm giving it as John. Password I'm giving here, and sign up. So here I've created a new account. Okay, so if you just click here, you can see courses. So here are the different courses which are there inside the website. Okay, so you can see you are a newbie and you get 1 XP to level up. Okay, earn your first points and join the adventure. So here you can see all your badges and your next rank. So from here you can view your profile. Okay, so you can see John not verified. You have all your about info. Okay, the questions, the answers, the activity, the votes, the certification attempts, and all such things. Okay, so you can see the completed courses, and you have the ongoing courses and all such things. Okay, so let's do one thing. I'm going back to the users, and let's create or simply attend a course. Okay, so you can see your account has not yet been verified. Click here to receive a verification email and join this community. So my account is not yet verified. So I'm just trying to open the course. So you can't actually, access all these things. Let's go back to the lessons. Let's get back to course. Okay. So here you can see the courses. Then here you have the reviews. Okay. And here you can see the forum which is related to the, course. But you can't actually do anything over it. Okay. So just go back, and I'm going to join this course. So you can see you are enrolled. Okay, I've enrolled to the course. And here you can see responsible person, the last update, the completion time, and how many members are there, including you. Okay, so this is the, area which shows the details about the course. Now you are going to start the course, right? Once you start all these lessons, or once you complete all these lessons, you can mark it from here. So currently we have 5 lessons, and this one is to test your knowledge. So for that, you have to open this. Okay, test your knowledge. And it will be asking certain questions. So this is, what is a strawberry? You know, it's a fruit. And what is the best tool to dig a hole for your plants? A shovel. And then you can check your answers. And if you are right, you gained these much points. Okay, you can see you gained 10 points. So you reach the next rank and gain a very nice mug. This is actually a reward. Okay, you can either end the course or check the profile. So I'm moving on to check the profile to see what the status is. So you can see, okay, the status. So out of 100, you have gained 20 points. Okay, so this is the completed course. You can see under the completed course, a course has come. And if there is any ongoing course or certification or even badges, that can be viewed here. Okay, and from here, you can edit your profile. Okay, so this is the name of the person. You can add a picture for this person. So if you are clicking this means, this can be done. I'm opening it. Okay, so I've added a picture for the person. So you can add the email ID, the website, the city, country, all such things, and then update it. So I'm just clicking on update. So this is updated. He's actually a newbie and the current rank can be viewed. So here it shows the different questions, answers and all. So we have looked about the, course. Now let's move on to the forum. Okay, so this is the forum and I'm opening the forum related to my course. So you can see all the posts here. If you want to add a new post, click on new. Okay, and here you can add the title. So I'm adding, please, or this is my question or something, some sort of a question you can ask. Okay, so I'm adding, which is a very good climate do farming or something. Okay, I'm asking a very random question and you can post your question. And the description can be given here. This is actually a title, okay, and this is the description. So if you want any kind of example, okay, so this is how you can add it. So I'm adding how to do farming. Okay, that's the question I'm asking. Post your question. And then you can post the question. Okay, so you can see, thanks for posting. On average, 45% of questions shared on social media gets an answer within 5 hours. Questions shared on 2 social networks have 65% more chances to get an answer. Okay, so if you want to add the same question to any social media like LinkedIn, Threads or Facebook, that is possible here. Okay, so that can be done. And the post is awaiting validation. Okay, so that's the question which you've asked. Then you can see you have a pending post. Okay, and you can see my post from here. You can see your favorites. You can see the people. So these are the people. Okay, and then just click on the forum. Basics of gardening. You can see the different posts and you can see the replies as well as the views which is got for the person. So this is how you basically, deal with this. And you can see the points which you have gained over here. Okay. So this is basically how you deal with the forum as well as the courses. And this is how the karma works. Okay. You could ask a question because you have got these much points. And if you want to, see any other forum, let's go to a different forum. And this is the help one. Opening that. And then you can see different questions over here. Okay. So if you are clicking on any one of them, this question will be there in detail. And if you want to answer it, you can click on answer here and type your answer. Okay, so once you type the answer will be posted. So I'm adding, this is an answer. Just a random answer, okay? And I'm posting the answer. So you can see, thanks for posting, and this is your answer. If anyone comes and upvotes your answer, what happens? You can upvote this question as well. So all this is possible because you have enough karma points. Okay, upvoting can be done. You can view your answer, you can edit your answer. Okay, people can comment over the question and also upvote it. Okay, and then you can see one reply, one view and all. Okay, so I'm just logging out of John and signing in as Michelle admin. Login. So the logging in is done. And let's open e-learning. And if you go to the courses, view course I'm giving. Okay, so you can see the members here. The count of the members is 4. The reviews here. Okay, all such things can be done. If you go to forum, okay, this is the help. Go to website. Okay, so this is the website, and from here you can see the forum. Okay, you can see the different posts over here, and if you just click on any one of them, you can see the question as well as the answer. So this is how you basically deal with the forum and the courses. And for this, you can see in case of Michelle admin, he have these much points, and the profile which I created had only 20 points. Okay, so this question, you can see the answer which we have answered, and if you want to upvote it, this can be upvoted. Okay, and once the upvoting and all is done, this person will get certain points. Okay, so this is basically how you can manage the forum and the courses, and that's how the karma points works with both of them. So yeah, that's it. I hope it's clear. So that's all about the karma points in e-learning module. I hope it's clear for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.